Here's a pair of the On Groove earbuds. We have this model and this model. I'm going to show you how to connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. Now I'm talking about these two On Groove model earbuds, okay? I'm not talking about this one here, all right? So the first thing we want to do is put this into pairing mode, okay? So the earbuds are in the case, okay? When I open it up, you'll know that it's in pairing mode if the lights on these ones here are blinking white rapidly, okay? For these ones here, you'll notice in pairing mode if the lights are blinking white rapidly on this side and on this side here, okay? So we're just gonna do this one here. So I'll open these up here and I'm looking for like a white blinking light, white, kind of fast, all right? Mine's not going white. The reason is because it's connected to one of my other phones. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I can go to my other phone, I can go to the Bluetooth pairing list, and I can go ahead and I can delete or disconnect these earbuds from this phone here. And as soon as I disconnect or I unpair or basically delete it from the pairs list, then this will automatically start blinking white kind of fast, okay? Now another way that we can put this in the pairing mode without having to disconnect the other phone or nothing is this. We're going to close the lid, make sure the lights go off. All right, now we're going to open up, and now it's not going to go into pairing mode automatically. It's connecting my other phone. So from here, what I'm going to do now is underneath you have a button here, okay? Same with this one here, there's a button here. On this one here, you have a button right here, okay? So open the lid up. I'm going to press and hold this button. I'm going to keep holding into the white until it starts blinking white here. So here's the little button here, ready? Press and hold. I'm going to hold now. Keep holding, hold, wait. Okay, there it is, white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go directly to our MacBook here, and you want to go to the Bluetooth settings. I'm going to click on the Apple logo up here. I'm going to go down to System Settings. From here, we want to go to Bluetooth. And now this thing in the bottom here, it's searching for device that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. You can see it already found the On earbuds right there. Okay, so I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go to Connect. And voila, now it says connected up there. So we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. Okay, if you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.